What's good, boys? It's Friday, January 10th. It's like 8 right now. I just got back from work. I didn't have time to do the live trade, and I didn't even record this trade actually. But I'll show you the P&Ls on screen like right now. Those are the two P&Ls, or the one P&L, the entry and the exit for SPY. My entry was at 12:35, so it's like right here. So at the end of this candle at 12:30, we can scale down to the 1 minute to show you really where it is. 12:35, right here. I got in on this rebalance. Exited at around, I think it was 12:50. So I got out like here, around like 12:46. Got out like that. 12:46. Yeah, that's like where I exited. I could have held this trade for way longer. I'll show you on the 1 hour. I just caught the rebalance, so this is pretty clear to me. I literally just waited for it to double bottom and come back up, but I was on the 4 hour actually. I was trying to get as much sleep as I could because I was up late last night studying, but this basically double bottomed, and I could see that we were looking to rebalance to either hit EMA or just create a high because we're bearish right now. Like, this was my chart coming into the day from yesterday night. I had this charted up here. Look at the daily. Like, today was very clearly bearish. Like, we knew we wanted to come down. We retested this so many times, and we'd already had bear structure on the lower time frames. So I literally just waited on the 15-minute for a, show you right here, 12:30. Yeah, I just waited for the price to come up here, and then I was the email looked different in real time. If I was recording, it would be a lot easier to show y'all like what actually happened. But I was basically in, and then I drew this up as EMA and in a support zone, and we retested, and blase. I scaled down to the 5-minute, just waited, marked up this level of support right here. It was technically in real time, it was resistance, but we broke through it, and I actually had to exit because I had to go to work. I had to clock in at 1, which is so unfortunate because I could have had around a $4 and like what 40 cents profit there, because I definitely easily could have caught it to the top. I don't know about the very top, so we'll be realistic and say probably I would have pulled around here when we took this point of liquidity right here. Yeah, so those are my ranges. I didn't even have time to get to my first range, which is up here in real time. This was my first range, but yeah, a decent trade. I mean, it was Friday, so I knew we would try and come and make it. Like, when they make a huge drastic move on the last day of the week like this, or even the first day of the week, you know that like next market open will be good, because like you could see here. Let me find a Monday that was crazy, and it didn't create like a high or low, because usually Monday will create a high or low. If not, like here, boom, we got Monday low here, and then on the last day we came and swept the Monday low. So that's something that you can look for. We didn't actually sweep the Monday low. I lied. It was a failure sweep. A failure swing is basically just this double bottom right here would be identified as a failure swing. So it's all about knowing what market direction is, where the market's going. Like here, you could have caught this trade many ways. Like, there's a new day opening gap right here. You just mark this up, and you can see we're retesting. We hit EMA here on this candle as a hit on EMA, and then we hit down. You could have took shorts here. Unfortunately, I was asleep, or else I would have taken this trade. This would have been my trade for the day. Instead of the calls, it would have been something like this, taking this low. I would have been in multiple contracts, and then I would have taken off some here, and I would have taken off some here, and then let the last ones ride to the last point of liquidity, where I would have then got swept, but or where I then would have got reversed. But yeah, I mean, I feel like I'm probably taking off I'm probably taking off all my contract here. I mean, the $8 profit on a 1-day contract is huge. It's a huge amount of money. I'll be up in the morning for Monday open at 9:30. So that this won't happen again. But I'm anticipating a bearish Monday. I mean, this literally is just clear structure. I can literally remove every single drawing on this chart, and you guys could probably tell this is bearish. All we have to do is come below these double lows right here. This level of support, I can actually draw that up right there. And it's also a new day opening gap here. So let's just draw this up. Boom. That's our level of support. I can actually catch all of that if I just do this. So we got our level of support here. I only really draw up support if it's a very clear level. Like this is something that it will hold. I mean, this is a very, very strong level. We got 1, 2, 3, and we even got a new opening gap here. I mean, we're looking pretty bearish. Let's scale up into the daily chart. Giving a bit of analysis here just because I feel like it. We got clear trend here. I mean, we just broke it. You can create a squeeze here just like that. Scale down to the 4-hour, and yeah, we're looking pretty bearish if we break through the support. I actually wish I could have gotten into swings today, but I did end up taking the scalp. It's an unfortunate work schedule for me today, and also I slept because I needed to sleep, or else I would have a terrible day at work. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's all I have for today. I'll have a better video for y'all on Monday, or even on Sunday when I do the Sunday breakdown. I'll have a breakdown for y'all on Sunday. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you go in the description and follow my Twitter, get on my Discord server. Yeah, appreciate all y'all, and have a good one, boys.